Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. So for today's video, we're going to do a decor video, so I hope you guys like it. So I'm going to do a whole on motivational videos, motivational quotes on my walls, and it's going to be my study wall. So I'm going to show you my study area, the before and after, and you can decide. There's a lot going on in my background, so forgive me. I just moved in here. I haven't really had time to do much in this room, so yeah. So wait and see. So guys, so this is my study area. It's very simple. I haven't had time to put anything together. So yeah, so I'm going to show you, like, so I'm going to use this wall, like this is my bag. Yeah. Very cute though. So yeah, this is the bag and this is the space I'm going to use. So I'm going to decorate this space, so this is what we're working with. So yeah, I hope you watch and get to see the end result. For this video, I'm going to show you the materials I'm going to use, and it's Pinterest inspired, but plus at this point of my life, I really need a lot of motivation. So I know it's a step towards building my mindset. Like, I have a lot of things in mind. So yeah, it's part of my journey. Hope you come with me and enjoy the video. So yeah, this is the materials I'm about to use. So guys, so I'm doing it on my floor. So these are the things, and these are the printouts. They're so encouraging. I hope you see the messages. I can do it. I am stronger than I think. I did not wake up to be mediocre. There's always something to celebrate. This is my favorite. Yeah. And then throw kindness around like confetti. So yeah, it reminds me of my favorite song by, they're called Little Mix. Yeah, Little Mix, confetti. If you don't know the song, just go over to YouTube and hear it. It's one of my best songs this year. Yeah. So the things you're going to need, like, I'm using a razor, but you can use a scissors. I'm using black tape, like, to this, you'll get to see it. I'm going to use it as a frame. I think I can show you a sample. Like, I've not finished the sample though. So here's it. Like, this is the how, like, I'm going to make the frames with this. Oh, this is a book I'm just using as a board because I'm working on the floor. Like, I feel more comfortable. And then, oh, and you might need glue, so yeah. Hello guys, so yeah, we're back. Yeah. So this is what I'm working with. I need just to, my hands are dry, so yeah. The glue. The tape I'm going to use for frame. Yeah, I already started on a piece, so let's see. I'm just going to show you how it's done. So this is the piece I already started with. You can see it's already coming together. See how nicely it is. Yeah. So guys, I know a lot of you, like everyone, I think at least everyone needs motivation at some point in time. Oh, and for this one, I'm religious, so I believe in God, trust in his ways. So I'm always looking out for like motivation from like the Bible. So yeah, this is one of my favorite too. So yeah, as I was saying, like, I know motivation is a big thing. It's not the only thing though, but it's something that's nice to have, something to help you push through the day.